local authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Fresno, CA, Imperial, CA, Inyo, CA, Kern, CA, Kings, CA, Madero, CA, Merced, CA, Los Angeles, CA, Monterey, CA, Orange, CA, San Benito, CA, Santa Barbara, CA, San Bernardino, CA, San Diego, CA, San Luis Obispo, CA, Blair, CA, and Ventura, CA, beginning at 2:34 a.m. and ending at 5:34 a.m. The regional Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Bakersfield Police Department. On July 25, 2021, at 3:10 p.m., Alexandra Hardy and Riley Hardy were abducted from Bakersfield, California. Alexandra Hardy is a 15-year-old white female, 4 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 145 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Riley Hardy is a 13-year-old white male, 5 feet tall, weighing 125 pounds, with brown hair and green eyes. The suspect, Arthur Hardy, is a 44-year-old white male, 6 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 225 pounds. Arthur Hardy is believed to be wearing a green shirt with brown cargo shorts and black tennis shoes. The suspect is the children's non-custodial father and took the children from their custodial mother's home by force after assaulting the mother. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a gray 2000 HEV Silverado with California license plate 7RXT903. If seen, call 911 or the Bakersfield Police Department at 661-327-7111 or the California Highway Patrol at 661-396-6600.